Okay mate, so yeah, I haven't started it for a while. It's a cold morning, so just going to show you a cold start, and it'll take a while to wind over and a few things. I'll show you how I do it. So master on, I'll leave the mags off, put the auxiliary fuel pump on, and then I turn the prop a few times. Just get some fuel in there. And I'll turn that off. Mags on. Choke on. Might be a bit hard to do this holding the camera, but throttle closed, and then I'll wind it. I'll just try and set the camera here again. Yeah, so then I've just slowly, as it started, brought the revs up to 3,000 and slowly closed the choke. And we'll just let it warm up. I'm just taxiing it over now to take the wings off it.